Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Yokogawa. So they are hiring for Bangalore location. So they are hiring for trainee associate. Let us see what are the qualifications and responsibilities and skills mentioned here to apply for this trainee associate position. Firstly, coming to qualification, it would be 10 plus 3 years diploma or 10 plus 2 plus 3 years diploma in electronics and communication or instrumentation domain, passed out in 2021 batch with 60% throughout the academics without any backlog. So these are the qualifications. So for the role of DCS system engineering. So let us see what are the skills and responsibilities mentioned here to apply for this position. So firstly, coming to skills, the candidates should be ready to learn Japanese language on performance basis based selection, and also should have good verbal and written communication skills. Coming to responsibilities, the candidates needs to be like exposure to application engineering, coding, study of engineering documents, P and IDs, customer specs, control narratives, and understanding requirements, preparation of functional design specs, HMI design, detailed implementation of control strategies and integrated testing, and also should have basic design, detailed design and implementation of controls and testing and FAT support. So these are the responsibilities you should be having for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID on before 23rd of April 2022. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.